Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Audio, Visual and Lighting Engineers. Today we wanted to give you a quick introduction on our Needbar Pro. Needbar Pro is dedicated device. Its plug and play device comes included with a NeedPad controller. In the box we have Needbar Pro device. Here is it, and we have mounting brackets. This one for the wall mounting bracket and this one for table mounting bracket. So if you look a little bit closer on Bar Pro here, Needbar Pro is bursting with audio power. There is 2 subwoofer and 3 full range speaker. Let's see microphone. An advanced pyramid shaped 16 microphone array here. We have 2 camera here. Needbar Pro is especially ideal for bigger meeting space as its camera configuration and wide angle lens and an image depth sensor which combined deliver 16x zoom. In the second box we have NeedPad with all cables and connectors and mounting brackets. Here you can see power injector and LAN cable. This is our beautiful NeedPad. So now the installing process very simple. Now I am going to install this one on the table. So bracket installed. Here you can see this is PoE switch with the connector, different type connectors. You can find your country type connector here. Next I will connect these cables and connector. Here you can see all the ports here in the back side of Needbar: power, auxiliary port and internet port, and this HDMI for the content sharing, and these 3 HDMI for the 3 display, and we have one USB-C port here, and one last button is for the reset button. So all of these are the ports. Now I am going to connect power, HDMI for the display, LAN cable for the internet, and USB for input when connected to touch screen. If you have touch screen monitor, so you can use the USB-C, and you have 3 HDMI for the 3 display and 1 HDMI for the screen sharing, and auxiliary port, aux port you have also there for the third party audio extension. For the full connectivity and the configuration, you can watch our last video. There you can see the configuration.